No, bro. I did it again, bro. No, bro. Psych! April Fools! Did I get anybody? April Fools! Got him! Let's go. What a start to the month. April Fools! I did not blow my funding. Gotcha! Let's go, bro. This feels good. We can't be overly excited. But man, this feels good. Just broke like a 5 trade, 4 trade, 4 to 6 trade losing streak. And damn, this has got to be our biggest win yet. Yeah, ever. I've never. The most I've like won on a single trade is like 200 or no 600 ish, and I've never hit 700 before. We smacked all our TPs. They don't call me TP trades for nothing. Come on, chat. Great start to the month. And yeah, I'm just happy because I followed my plan, waited for my setup, and we got a little bonus too. We won the trade. Like, amazing. Let's just get right into it. News today. Had to wait for news. Was not gonna trade until 9. After 9, news wasn't really anything crazy. This was the news candle at 9. Wait, I swear it was. On NQ it was different. NQ was it was wonky or weird. This is not even before. This is not even news candle. This happened seconds before news, and then this is news candle. So that didn't really affect the market too much. Coming in today, bias initially was kind of bearish. I'll tell you why. We had this 1 hour imbalance that we were filling pretty good right here, and then this was our move down. And then yeah, this is our move down, but we didn't get no. First of all, it kind of happened before news, so that's one thing. But we didn't have any. We didn't have any a setup to take, so we didn't really take it. So let's go over my trade. So on ES was the lagging index. We didn't have any SMTs, but we were definitely way lower than NQ. We could have had SMT, but okay. So we swept London lows, and then we didn't sweep Asian lows because we already did during London session. But on NQ, we actually did sweep Asian lows, and then just, oh my god, like literally a perfect sweep and then rally. But anyways, yeah. So we ended up sweeping London lows on ES and filling in this, or like honestly closing below this 15-minute fair value gap. That's that line, and I was just marking out 15-minute lows potentially that we were looking at. And yeah, and we got this little reversal. I mean, we got this invalidation on this fair value gap. After that, I was waiting for a retrace. This is our retrace, 5-minute retrace. I was patient too. I waited for this candle to close. So this is a 9:25 candle. That candle closes at 9:30 because it's a 5-minute candle. So we literally entered. I forgot what candle. I can just, I guess, put it on here. Wow, this feels great. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So I guess this candle 968.25. No, I definitely waited for that candle. But yeah, I entered during 9:30 because that's where it closed. So, yeah, entered right here. I went in with eight micros. and I realized that was too much. I was risking like maybe 500 at this point, and that was just too much. I wish I could size like that, and I might in the future. Who knows? Because during the eval, you kind of gotta rinse and repeat. You know, you don't want to be in the evals too long. You want to either pass it really quick, or if you're not gonna pass it, like fail it and then just keep going. But you know, I gotta prove to myself first I can actually pass a funded or eval, and then you know we'll worry about that in the future. But yeah, insert off that. This is our retrace right here, 25 into this fair value gap. Also, it hits equilibrium. I could mark it out perfectly. Bullish reaction. Kind of hesitant, not gonna lie, but also I did wait for this. I wouldn't even say I was hesitant. I was more like patient, honestly, because like I waited for this 5 minute to close. I didn't need to do that, but yeah, I mean, could have entered off this candle, but I wanted to see more, I guess. And the reason why we took it on ES was not because we were like lagging and we were so deep, but also on NQ, we filled this fair value gap. We did. We came into equilibrium, but I like we barely hit equilibrium in that fair value gap, so that's kind of why we were kind of more deep into this fair value gap on ES. So that was the reason. Literally could have took it on either index. NQ looks like it made the way bigger. Actually, kind of the same. But who cares, bro? Like, literally, this is beautiful, dude. Okay, so we entered, and then yeah, that was it. That was what the trade was based on. So liquidity sweep, that's one. Retracement, 5 minute retrace, and then we were in. We got a fair value gap entry or fair value gap retracement, and then equilibrium. That's kind of like hand in hand together. So yeah, but we didn't wait for a break of structure, even though we already broke structure right here in real time. I realized, oh damn, we didn't even break structure. Should I waited for the break structure? But you know, yeah. I mean, we got high time frame liquidity sweep, 5 minute retrace, and then scale down, fair value gap. I ain't gonna lie, I was doing a lot of studying this past weekend because that Friday loss. And I don't know if I said it in the video, but that Friday loss, like I should have, I lost it and I should have lost it. That was just a dumb trade, literally trading against the trend. That was just bad. It was literally a good setup for the other direction. That's why I literally got stopped out, because it was a good trade for shorts. And I was trying to long go against like 4 hour to 1 hour. And yeah. I guess I didn't even go over the 4 hour and the 1 hour trends. We were bearish, but I think coming today now, I don't know. I like not having like a set bias, because things can happen in a single day. Because what am I basing trades off? High time frame liquidity sweeps. And we got it. And the market's literally telling us what it wants to do, essentially. And I'm not gonna like, we already made that move down for shorts, but we couldn't find anything, or we didn't get anything. So you know, we got to switch biases now. So you know, maybe if it's dumb clear, I'll have a bias, but because today my bias is bearish and it played out. But I'm not gonna keep having a bearish bias, because we can catch a move to the other direction because of a high time frame liquidity sweep, which is very high probable in terms of where if price wants to reverse off. Okay, I'm kind of talking a lot, and it's already 10 minutes. But yeah. Uh on the 1 hour we were bearish. See on ES, I mean NQ. I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to get into, but yeah, 5-minute retrace. And yeah, from there, I'll tell you, okay, now I'll tell you what my take profits and stop loss was based on. Honestly, stop loss wasn't really anywhere specific, just below this fair value gap, because that's where our trade would be invalidated. Usually, TGR, the guy I watch, usually puts it on the first candle that made the fair value gap, but that was kind of a deep stop loss. And if it came down to here past this, then I would want to be stopped out either way. Not want to, but take profit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you're probably wondering what are these take profits based on? I'm not gonna lie. This is what I used. And when I backtest, I see it work pretty good. Pretty well. Well, stop loss right here. I mean, just look though. Okay, in this example, it doesn't work because this is, a very, like literally it lines up perfectly with this. So in this example, it doesn't work. But when I backtest, it literally goes to this point or wherever, and then ends up reversing, either hitting stops at break even or just retracing and then going back. So I'm gonna use it. I haven't really seen anybody else use it. Actually, no, that's a lie. Not as frequent. Like they use it like if there's absolutely no targets. But like I kind of like it because honestly, I don't want to have the same take profits as other people. And I've seen so many times where we've come so close to the high and then just boom. So yeah, take profit 1 is based on here. And usually, every time, just depending, it doesn't even matter. Doesn't matter depending on how big the stop loss is. First TP at this point, 2.618, is going to be like a 1.6 risk to reward. And then this is always going to be 2 point, and then 3, like the same, just like the same amount of risk to reward. Yeah, 13 minutes in, I don't really care. I'm just going to keep talking. So, yeah. So take profit 1 is based on I had 6 contracts in because I took 2 off when I entered into 8. So I took majority of the position off right here. Took 4 off right here, and then had 2 left, 1 right here and then 1 right here. And it's just beautiful. If I had more of my positions open, I have more contracts in, I put 1 right here and then 1 right here, because this is previous day highs, or that's Friday highs, and this is London session highs, which is a very high draw on liquidity. And just, I mean, you do it your way, I'll do it my way. If it works, it works. It could be worse. I could be trading, Bollinger Bands. I don't want to, they make fun of ICT. We make fun of them. Who cares? If it works, it works, 14 minutes in. Do I have anything else to say? Not really. It feels great, dude. I'm not even gonna cap. It feels great. But we can't get comfortable. Like, why can't I just do this every time? Just wait for the right setup and have no fear. And just wait. Be patient. Jeez, dude. It really is this simple. I just make it so hard on myself. Tomorrow, ADP, non-farm employment. Pretty much it. NFP week, NFP on Friday. And Powell speaks at 10:30, 2 hours into market open. So honestly, Friday we're probably not gonna trade. And yeah, finally above 500K. So after the end of the day, it's probably gonna go. No, it's gonna go up to 48,411. And yeah, so let's keep it up, man. Just wait for the right setup and just don't be dumb. Great start to the month. Feels good, bro. Feels great. I really want to. I don't know if I'm gonna forget anything. Let's drink some coffee. Wow, bro. It could be this easy. It really can. You always going out your way. New month, new me. Can this be the start of something great? I don't want to get ahead of myself. Because after those two beautiful trades I took like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, ended up going on a losing streak. But come on, man. Let's get 1% better every day. I'm out of here. This is what you call yapping. But I don't care. I'm gonna clickbait the title too and say I blew my funded. I'm gonna quit trading. I'm gonna put that in the title, and I'm gonna get y'all good. This is like the only day where um, clickbaiting is not a bad thing, I guess. You know, it's you won't get hate for it. So yeah, I'm out of here. Great day. Let's come back better. Let's get better. Let's keep working hard. Don't give up and stay strong. Goodbye.